Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add size chart on Odoo website. So first thing that you are going to do is to log into your Odoo account and then open your website. And then after that, of course, you should have your shop. So you just have to go to your shop right here. And then after that, you just have to create a new product or add a size chart to your existing product. Okay, so for example, we have this one right here. So if you would like to create a new product, simply tap on this new option at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so I'm going to click on this existing product and I am going to customize this one or edit the info. Okay, so after that, I just have to go here and then you just have to go to the extra media. So under the extra media, you just have to add another image. So you tap on the add more option. So you just have to tap on the upload an image and then you just have to select your size chart. After that, just click on the open option. That's right. And then you just have to tap on the add option that you can see here. Okay. And then after that, right here, when someone visit your website, so let me just save this one first. Okay. So for example, someone visit your website and then when you tap on this option, you'd be able to see here now the size chart of this clothes. Okay. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.